How to log in to University Pace. So if you want to log into University Pace account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Pace University Login. Once you've searched, here on the first search, you will have Pace University, and under that you will have login. Click on that login. So here, if you are a new user, then you can go for new user so that you can get some help while logging into your account, or if you want to log in and if you remember all of your information, then you can simply go for username on the first blank, and then you need to enter your username. And once you enter your username, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password on the next blank. And after entering your password, you need to click on login. And once you click on login, it will log you into your account if your information is correct. So that's it. That's how you log into your Pace University account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.